Good morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today it is Monday and I'm starting off a new week at uni. So excited. I actually had work this morning. I finished at 12 and then went to the grocery store, got a couple things and then drove straight here. It's now like 1:30 and then I have a class at 2 till 4 and then I'm going home, which is great. I wanted to go to the gym tonight, but I feel like I already have so much to do. I like kind of underestimated how much work I had to do tonight before tomorrow, because tomorrow is my first big day. I'm here from 8 till 5 and I only have 1 hour break between that time. I think between 12 and 1 possibly. So I'm not super excited about that, but it should be fine. I think I'm gonna head in now, maybe even try and get a little bit of editing done before my class. 2 hours and then I'm going home, or like 2.5 I guess. Excited already. Hello my friends, it is now quite a few hours later. I am home with Giorgio. Our balloons are still up for my birthday. Oops. We are both currently sitting at the dining table. This lighting is absolutely incredible. It is 7:45 and I'm just studying for a quiz that I have tomorrow, and Giorgio is editing, and I'm trying to get back into the uni hustle and grind, and I'm not enjoying it. But I am changing my mindset. I am enjoying it. Life is good. I love uni. This is great. I also thought I would just show you guys the notes I took in class today. I just took them on a Word doc, which I don't usually do. I usually use like OneNote or something, but I thought I would try this out this semester and I actually really like it so far. So I just kind of jotted down things as they spoke, and it's just a lot quicker than writing. Some classes I like to write because sometimes you draw diagrams or it's just more helpful, or it keeps me more stimulized, is that the word? Like I'm a lot less likely to get distracted if I'm writing rather than typing, but this class I just find really easy to type. So kind of every class is different for me, but I really like how neat and organized these look. Good morning guys, it is now Tuesday and I'm at uni. It is 6:20 in the morning. I woke up at 5, got ready, hopped in the car, got a coffee actually, got my mocha fusion, very happy about it. It's gonna be a long day. I have a class from 8 till 10, from 10 till 12, I have a lunch break from 12 till 1, then I have a class from 1 till 2, 2 till 4, and then 4 till 5. And then I'm done for the day. So that's gonna be my Tuesdays for the next 12 weeks. So excited about it. But I have a quiz in my 8 AM class, so I'm gonna go to the library. I'm gonna have a little bit of a quiet time, so like read my Bible and stuff beforehand, because I really want to start implementing that into my day even while I'm at uni, because I really miss it when I don't get to do that while I'm at uni, because it's something that I usually do in my morning routine at home. So I'll probably do that from like 6:30 until 7ish, or maybe a little bit later, and then I'll spend that last hour or so studying for my last quiz. Let's go. Hey guys, please excuse the lighting. This is the best we're gonna get right now. It is 5:30 and I'm about to drive to uni again. It is Wednesday. I packed a little breakfast to eat in the car. It's just a little bagel. And I also have my little coffee in my keep cup. So that's what the next probably hour will look like while I drive through traffic. And I'll talk to you guys when I get to uni probably. So I've been home for a few hours now and it has been so nice to just come home and chill. Honestly, this afternoon has felt like the first time in probably a week or so where I've actually felt relaxed and chilled, and I haven't had like 5 other things that I needed to be doing, which is so nice. When I came home, I ate lunch and then I edited a video, and I'm so glad I finally got that finished because I've been trying to get that done for like 3 or 4 days. And then I cleaned my study in my bedroom, and let me just show you my study because I'm just feeling so good now that it's clean. So this is what my study looks like. I just rearranged a few things. Also, I'm gonna answer some questions that I've been getting. So this little thing that I have all my earrings hanging on, it is actually a little home decor tray from Kmart. I'm not even sure if they still have it because I feel like I saw it on clearance a little while ago, but I just thought it would be so perfect to hang my earrings on because I've been looking for a way to store it for a long time. I feel like I either saw someone use this exact thing or something very similar, which is what inspired me, but I am eventually going to spray paint it white so it matches my room a little bit more, but that's just not a first priority right now, but I will do that eventually. And then I have my little perfumes and stuff. This is my little jade plant and it's finally got some new growth on it. It wasn't doing very well for a while. If you can see the tiny little leaves up the top here of each little sprig, it's got some brand new leaves and I'm so excited that it's finally growing because I've been looking after that one a lot. Then this is a new addition to my room. I'm so excited about it. Giorgio actually surprised me with this yesterday. She came home with it and was like, I just got you this for literally no reason. And I was like, you are the best. We saw it when we went to Kohl's the other week. So it's from Kohl's and I was like, oh my gosh, I really want it. And she was like, you don't need it. And I was like, you're right, I don't need it. But I haven't been able to stop thinking about it since and I really love it. So what I've done is I've put my everyday makeup or like makeup that I use most often in the little drawers, which makes it so easy and also so clean and neat. And then this one just has all of my hoops and the earrings that like don't hang up on that little tray that I showed you. Then I have my calathea, then my mirror, brushes, and then all the normal stuff. And this is my new beautiful calathea as well. So now I'm just gonna sit on Pinterest for a little bit and get some stuff done that I've been wanting to get done. And then I'm gonna edit another video that I wanna get up tomorrow for you guys. And then I have Bible study tonight. I probably should shower in between then too. Good morning, guys. It is now Thursday. My face is so red, I don't know why. My skin is just not doing well right now. But it's almost 8 o'clock in the morning. And George and I are heading out to get some coffee because we both have work this afternoon, but we have the morning off, so we thought we'd go get coffee together. Just like take away and bring it back here and keep doing work because got to hustle. I drive. What? I win. Got our coffee. Back to work. Guys, I'm at uni. It's 7 AM and it's the last day of the week for uni and I have the weekend off. I'm so excited. Hello my friends, it is now 11 o'clock and I finished at uni. I only have one class on Fridays, which is so nice. This morning was the first time that I've had that class and I really like my tutor. He seems really chill but like still wants us to learn, which is kind of like the perfect balance for me. I get intimidated by people very easily and I'm not intimidated by him, so that's kind of nice. But also our class is literally 6 people just because no one wants an 8 AM class on a Friday. It's kind of a difficult class too, so I really need to stay on track for things. I need to make sure I do every single reading. I need to make sure I answer every single question in my workbook because he'll be checking on it, especially since there's so few of us to check over. But aside from that, I'm done for uni for the week. Obviously I'll do some work over the weekend probably because that's just what being a uni student is all about. But right now I'm just kind of filling in time. I'm gonna meet up with my mum at 12:30 at her work to go have lunch with her. I really like dropping in every now and then when I can. But I've already gone and picked up packages from a PO box and I've already gone grocery shopping for another thing that I have tomorrow, which I'll explain another time. So now I've just got a bit of random time, like an hour or so until I will drive there. But my friend Georgia Woodford told me about a really good op shop that she found and I haven't been to this one, which is kind of crazy because I feel like I've been to almost all of the ones at least around me. This one's in a random industrial estate, so I don't know how I would have found it otherwise, so I'm really excited to go check it out. Going to op shops is one of my favorite things to do in the whole world and it makes me feel so relaxed and chill, especially when I'm just by myself. So let's go enjoy this beautiful Friday. It is such a lovely day.
Tell me I'm the only one. Tell me I'm the only one.
just finished at the op shop. It was actually a really good op shop. I'll definitely be going back there. I picked up one item. This is my little like plastic bag that like rolls up and I keep it in my handbag. I'm out of breath. I'm gonna go. Hey guys, I haven't updated you in a while, but I went and had lunch with my mum, and now I've just been baking for the past couple of hours because it's one of my best friend's engagement party tomorrow and I'm a bridesmaid, and so I'm baking a bunch of stuff for their like dessert bar that they're doing. So at the moment I'm making like sugar cookies, and I've also just finished baking brownies, which is so exciting. So I'm gonna make these, and I thought I would let you guys in on the action. Good morning guys. I look a bit rough, but please bear with me. It's now Saturday. Last night I went to youth as I always do. I got there at like 6ish and then got home at 11, and then I self-tanned and went to bed. And then I woke up at 6 o'clock this morning so I could keep doing baking and stuff for the engagement party, because I'm also hanging out with my friend Georgia Woodford this morning to help her get some content, and I might ask if she can take a photo of me too. I am so tired because I had like no sleep, but I just have some stuff I need to get done. I need to make a salad and I need to ice the cookies, and then obviously other stuff. But as for like baking stuff, that's what I need to do. So I thought I'd wake up and get it done early. Hopefully I can get it all done really quickly. Let's go. I'm about to go and shoot with Georgia Woodford, but I think I'm going to leave my camera here because I want to charge it so I can take it to the engagement party tonight.
There will always be a place for you by my side, day or night. You know that it's killing me. Why do you always leave? It's not right. We don't fight, but I know what you've been through.
Good morning guys, it is now Sunday. It is like 8 AM. I slept until like 7:30. I'm really sorry that I didn't get a lot of footage at the engagement party last night. I think I only got a little bit of phone footage, but it was such a beautiful night celebrating my wonderful friend Gabby and her fiance Zion. I love them both so much and they're so beautiful together, and yeah, it was a really lovely night. But at the same time, I was there from midday until 11 PM. I think I left at around 11, so I got home around, I don't know, 11:30, and so by the time I got to bed it was like 12, and so it was just like almost 12 hours of socializing, which was good. I'm so glad that I got to see all the people that I got to see because I love them all so much. But at the same time now I am just exhausted. I've definitely mentioned it before, but I'm very introverted. So 12 hours of socializing, I don't remember last time I had like 12 hours straight of just socializing. And I had a really late night the night before that at youth, and then another late night. So my body is kind of hating me. So my plan for today is I am going to relax this morning. I just made myself some avocado toast and a coffee, and now I'm gonna go read my Bible for like an hour or two and just chill out, because I just need that kind of, what's the word? Reset, I guess. Just need my energy back, and that always makes me feel a lot better. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then for lunch, I'm heading over to my boyfriend's place, and we're having a lunch with his family and just hanging out with them for a little while. I think his grandparents and stuff are coming over as well, so that'll be really nice. And then I'll probably come home for a little bit and probably start editing this vlog. So I'm gonna end this vlog here because I just want to have a day where I'm not on my phone and not on my camera the whole day. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I am going to go enjoy my restful day and try and get all my energy back to start uni again tomorrow. And obviously I'll begin filming another vlog tomorrow, so get excited for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this first like real week in my uni life, because last week was just first week of classes. Wasn't as intense as this one, and obviously it'll only get more intense from now on. So excited. But I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.